This was generated for one of the levels, and we have the same thing for each level. Here you can look at the concrete frames that were generated for this project. With the method I'll show you, you can save hours or even days of work. We'll start by analyzing our structure in ETABS, which we already have, and we'll also run the concrete frame design. We'll also run the slab design for all of our levels. Once we have that, we are ready to open StructaCAD. When we're here, we're going to click on System, Import ETABS Model, and we're going to connect to ETABS. In this case, we will design slabs as well. We wait for a few seconds until our model is imported. It shows this menu where you can classify the walls. In this case, this one's a reinforced concrete wall, again, and this one is a masonry wall. We're going to import just as it is. Going to split slabs, merge panels for drawing, import. Then we don't want to save the ETABS model in this case. Our model is already loaded. We can verify the assigned steel by clicking on this option. And then if we zoom in to, let's say, this beam, we click on it, you can see the top and bottom rebar for each station. If you click on it, you can also modify it. Let's say I wanted 5 bars. And I can also, let's say, change this to 3 and add additional steel. Let's have 2 bars of the same diameter. We just click out of it. And you can do the same thing with the columns. We click on this option. Let's say we wanted to change this one. Here we get this panel where you can change the rebar. And in case you wanted to make the corners different, you just click here. Let's say you wanted to use number 8 bars. We're going to use 3 on each direction. And we can also change the stirrups. And then we can also verify the slabs. We click here. We click on the slab. And here's the rebar. This is a lightened slab. We can also look at the 3D model. And now when we're ready, we can export to AutoCAD. This was generated for one of the levels, and we have the same thing for each level. Here you can look at the concrete frames that were generated for this project, and also the beam sections. And for the beams, we get this table with the reinforcement of each one of them. If we wanted to change the units, we can just come here to Manage, Preferences, Units, and we changed it